Have you ever wondered why the eagle is a symbol of strength? Discover 7 inspiring life principles of this mighty bird in 45 seconds. 1. Long-term vision. Look far to achieve great goals. 2. Face challenges. Rise above storms. Turn difficulties into opportunities. 3. Self-reliance. Live independently and take responsibility. For focus, do not get distracted. 5. Recreate. Change and grow. 6. Choose companions. Fly with other eagles. 7. Patience. Wait for the right moment. With vision and perseverance, you can soar like an eagle. Don't forget to like and subscribe.